Hello, everyone. I'm the J. Payment Lee from the BPIPO. I'm going to give you a brief talk on Taiwan's biomedical industry and why Taiwan can be the gateway or the hub for the Asia-Pacific market. In the beginning, just let me briefly introduce the outline of today's presentation. The first, I will give you the Taiwan economy and the geography environment. The second, I will just introduce our government policy. And third, I will give you two cases. And in the last, I will introduce our group. It might be your best partner in the business development. First, I think people may not hear about Taiwan or not so familiar. As you see in this slide, Taiwan are in the center of the Asia-Pacific region. From Taiwan to Tokyo, Seoul, Shanghai, Beijing, Hong Kong, Manila, and Singapore. It only takes 2.5 hours by plane and 53 hours by ship. So Taiwan is not only the crucial link between Europe, America, Japan, and the emerging Asia-Pacific markets, but also a preferred location for multinational companies to establish their regional headquarters. Taiwan has 4 different clusters focused on different biomedical fields, and these 4 clusters could be linked by Taiwan high-speed railway, taking only 1.5 hours. It's a very short trip. In northern of Taiwan, there are more companies focused on new drug discovery and development, also some biology and medical devices. Going to the central Taiwan, more companies are dedicated to vaccines and minimally invasive devices as well. If you go more south, you can find the active pharmaceutical ingredients, herbal medicine, and functional foods manufacturing. Taiwan's outstanding advantage, you can find Taiwan's economy stability, ICT capability, healthcare system, and innovative ability are really high ranked. After the environment introduction, I'm going to introduce our government policy. In precision health era, as the technology development, now we are in the era of the multidisciplinary sector integration. The traditional industries such as the nutrition and health, medical devices, pharmaceuticals now join with the blockchain, IoT, AI, etc. to provide better solution in biomedical industries. Taiwanese government supports the biomedical industry in Taiwan as the trend in the biomedical industries in 2020. Our government issued 6 core strategy industries, and the precision health is one of the key industry. It's dedicated that Taiwan is treating biotech industry as a pillars for supporting Taiwan economy model, and also show Taiwanese government takes precision health seriously. Taiwan holds an important position in the global economy. The manufacturers in Taiwan also conform with the PICS GMP and ISO 13485. 20 clinical trial centers provide good clinical research environment. In addition to being a top player in the world's information and communication technology industry, it is also the major supplier. There is a high quality of enterprise provide you wide range and multidisciplinary collaboration, such as R&D, prototyping, OEM, ODM, etc. Taiwan has database systems such as the National Health Insurance Research Database covering 99.7% of citizens. The NBCT National Biobank Consortium of Taiwan integrate 27 hospitals biobank. The integrated platform can be applied for research use, such as CT, MRI image. I will give you a little example later. So after the introduction of Taiwanese environment, I'm going to give you some case studies. The first case is the collaboration between international pharmaceutical with Taiwanese ICT company and hospital. The tripartite collaboration between Novartis, Acer, and National Taiwan University Hospital for diabetes-induced retinopathy identification began with the ACES AI model and the Novartis clinical trial design and regulatory consultation and the clinical data from the National Taiwan University Hospital. The smart ophthalmology equipment, VeriC Doc, have been approved by the TFDA in 2020. The second case is the Taiwanese company DeepCT focused on the AI diagnosis of the stroke risk. The AI model diagnosis system can detect brain hemorrhage with 95% accuracy rate in 30 seconds. DeepCT has got the FDA license in US and Taiwan. So lastly, I will just give you a brief introduction of our group. The BPIPO is under the Ministry of Economic Affairs in Taiwan. As the first contact point of the biotechnology industry, we provide business development assistance to companies of all size and all stages of the development worldwide. Taiwan's biomedical industry can divide into applied biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. So if the company belongs to these three sectors, and if you have some question or problem, please contact us. How do we exactly help the companies? There are 10 ways we assist. Because we are the first contact point of the biotechnology industry, so we have extensive connection with the companies that might can build R&D collaboration, marketing, and strategy alliance. As a promotion office, we also could assist the commercialization and technology transfer. And our government MOE also offers some tax incentives, research program for the company doing research. And if you have some need financial support, we also can introduce you the government fund and the private investment. If you like to set up the startup company in Asia, or you want to find a partner in Taiwan, here's the potential thing. As I mentioned, we have many high-grade ICT and biotech companies here. We also are very willing to build up the partnership about all these potential things as you see. We look forward to having further collaboration with everyone. Again, thanks for your time and participation. Have a great day.
Thank you very much for your